So today I'm off to go and get my hair system fitted. So I just wanted to really quickly show you how it comes, how it looks before it's put in, because I think that's quite interesting. So this is how it's sent in this actually really beautiful box. I actually bashed it and squashed it because it's been waiting safely to be installed as such. Okay, so this is how it looks. And that is the system. So it's always slightly worrying when you see it like that because it looks a little bit ugly and extremely wiggy, but once it's cut and put into place it will look completely different. What I'll quickly say is I only have the front section of my hair, so this will be cut down, which you'll see on the video later. Okay, so I'm just going to show you the other side as well, because that's quite interesting as to how it looks. So I'm just going to quickly tell you a little bit about it, because actually it's quite interesting as to how it's made. So this is actually called an Eros hair system, and it's 0.02 mil skin, so it's ultra fine, so it should give me the best hairline. And it is V-looped, so actually when you get close and look, there are no knots, so it actually looks like it's coming out of the scalp. It's absolutely fantastic, so beautifully made. It's 100% natural Indian hair, so feels really beautiful as well, and nice and soft. So my only negative so far is I'm not too sure how the colour's going to look against my own hair. Choosing online makes it a little bit difficult to try and get it completely accurate. But what is awesome about a hair system is that because it is natural hair, you can tint it and it can blend in with your own hair. So I've done that with the one that I've got on now. And it colour took totally perfectly, looks absolutely beautiful. So if I have to, I might have to do that with this. But my actual natural hair colour has gone quite light in the sun, so it might be okay, we'll see. Okay, so very quickly, you saw the size of the system earlier. So what we've done, or what my hairdresser's done, is cut it down by using a template. So that's actually the amount of hair that I have replaced. So that's been cut from the system. Now looks like that. We've actually run a colour through it as well. Like I said, it was slightly a bit of a green tone to it, which didn't match up with my own hair. So we've just put colour through it and just waiting to put it on now. So that's it all done. Slightly longer than I had it last time, but I really love it. The hair's super soft. So we just cut it down a little bit, but really pleased with it. So yeah, awesome, thumbs up. What I'm going to do is sort of live with it for a week or so and do a bit of an update as to sort of how I'm getting on with it, because they do need to kind of like settle in, and it will, once it's been washed and that, it will become more like my own hair as such. But yeah, really pleased with it. Awesome. Okay, so I just want to give a short update on my hair system. I've had it in or on just over a week now, and I just wanted to sort of discuss as to how it's kind of settled in, because just the same as real hair, once you've come back from the hairdressers, you need to wash it yourself and style it yourself for it to actually sort of seem like your own. And I have to say, I've been absolutely just over the moon with it. I've really enjoyed it. I've had some compliments from followers on Instagram that didn't even know that I changed my system, which is always obviously a positive. But as a system, it's been brilliant. It's really comfortable, much nicer than my last one. It's super light. It's sort of quite hard to describe unless you've actually worn one or a wig as such, there's always like a constant feel, and this one not at all. My last system had almost like a bit of a ridge across there as to where it finishes, and this one, again, not at all. My hair has fallen in really naturally with it. The hairline's really good. And my previous one also had a slight noise to it, which sounds a bit stupid. But again, if I touched it, I was aware that it was almost like a synthetic sound on my head. I could hear it, not quite sure as to how loud it was to other people, but this, absolutely nothing. And what's really nice about this is I've been able to wear it flat, and it will lay completely flat. And as you can see, I can have it up like this, and it works in both ways. Again, nothing like my old system. It was never like that. It never laid completely flat. So I'm really happy with this, absolutely over the moon. And yeah, be sticking with it for the foreseeable future. So thank you, LaVivid. I'm absolutely ecstatic.